Gossips, trending, viral content, celebrity lifestyle. Welcome to Miracle Jameson. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. We have breaking news about two-time heavyweight boxing champion Anthony Joshua, who was just involved in a serious road accident. This incident happened in Ogun State, Nigeria. Before we get into the details of what happened and video clips, Anthony Joshua has been in Nigeria following his recent victory over YouTuber Jake Paul in Miami just over a week ago. For many who do not know, Joshua has deep roots in Nigeria. His parents are both Nigerian and he's made no secret of his connection to the country throughout his boxing career. Now, the reports in full. The incident occurred on the Lagos-Ibadan expressway, specifically in the Makun area of Shagamu in Ogun State. This is one of Nigeria's most heavily trafficked roads, connecting the commercial capital of Lagos with other major cities. The expressway has unfortunately been the site of some accidents over the years due to the heavy traffic and road conditions. According to reports from Punch newspaper, it was said to be a two-vehicle convoy, a Lexus SUV and a Pajero SUV, and they said Joshua was seated behind the driver with another person beside him, and they were about like four in the Lexus. So the vehicle collided with a stationary truck on the highway. The impact was actually very severe, and unfortunately, two people lost their life at the scene of this incident, but Anthony Joshua left with minor injuries and was taken to the hospital for treatment by the Federal Road Safety Corps of Nigeria.
Bros, what did they find?
I think several precautions should be done to lessen the traffic congestion in that area, because this is a heavyweight champion, a boxing champion who just had one of the biggest match in the world and is involved in this kind of thing. It's really not nice to see. I hope the Ogun State government look into that particular spot to avoid more occurrences like this. And rest in peace to the two souls who unfortunately passed away due to this incident. So it's been your boy Miracle Jameson. I'll see you guys on the next update. Bye for now.